All right, here's our next addition to the engineers need to be organized and plan out what they're working on. So I just did breadboards or laying out your circuits, whether it's going to be a printed circuit board, a PCB, or whatever. But the other one is your code, right? So in my robotics class, I make my students make a software design plan. It can be a flow chart, a state diagram, pseudocode, subsumption architecture, but they cannot ask me to come over and help them troubleshoot or debug any code they've written if it has not been planned out, it has not been commented, it does not have logical variable names, it does not have logical content names, it does not have functions, right? I'm not going to come read this is a microcontroller, so I'm not going to come read a big loop function with a whole bunch of junk in it when it should be modular and call other functions and things like that. So here's another piece of engineering professor advice. Plan out your code, make a software design plan, plan out your variables, your functions, etc. Another reason this is important because a lot of times you're working with a team, like my labs are teams of 2, or you're going to be on a project team when you go into your workplace, and other people have to be able to use your code, read your code, debug your code, pass on to an end user. And if it's a hot blazing mess, they're not going to use it. So it's like you didn't write it at all. Stay STEM wonderful.